Hello all, I have finally got my hands on the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I hold here the incredibly stylish phantom black version of the device. It is without a doubt visually stunning. The texture of the device means it to be so soft to touch and reduces the chances of finger marks forming. In today's video, I'll be giving a quick overview regarding my thoughts on the device. Firstly, I'm going to take a look at the highly anticipated camera of the handset. With a primary sensor of 180 megapixel and the ability to capture 8K video, this must be, if not, the best smartphone in terms of capturing photos and video content, though it does have strong competition with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Samsung have added some exciting new features. The Ultra allows you to delve deeper into the Pro camera settings to ensure that you take the best videos and photos possible. Another new trait of this smartphone is its advanced settings to offer more assistance when creating content for your social media channels, allowing for you to take photos that are social media ready from the moment you press capture. The lenses of the Ultra consist of an ultra-wide, a wide, a laser AF sensor, a Tele 1 and a Tele 2 lens. Unlike previous Samsung devices, the lenses have a metal casing that is in line with the lenses. This has been incorporated to enhance the security of their visuals. The lenses are elevated from the back of the phone. I don't think the notch is as drastic as the S20 Ultra, which I think is definitely an improvement. Adding to the professional element of this smartphone's camera is its ability to transform into director mode. You are able to create a live vision mix setup. This is most ideal for when capturing live events, such as a music performance. By doing this, you are able to cut from shot to shot, making smooth and professional transitions. The display is the brightest of any other Samsung device. Its peak is 1500 nits. It has a very impressive 120Hz refresh rate when rendering from the full resolution, making it the perfect device to play your way through the Xbox cloud. Considering it is the largest within the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, I think it is quite light in comparison to other similar smartphones of this size. I must say the overall look of the handset is incredibly sleek and stylish. Design-wise for me, I think this is a massive improvement from the S20 series. Though regarding the contents of the device's box, there are a few changes. Samsung have made the decision to no longer include the power adapter and the earphones, which may leave people frustrated if they do not already own these. The reason for this change comes from Samsung's decision to become more environmentally conscious and avoid creating potential future waste. If you are someone who is looking for these items, I have posted their links in the description and comments below. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. For more regular content to keep you up to date with the latest smartphone and tech accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.